Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very quick makeup routine. Basically doing my 5-minute makeup routine. Now I haven't timed this before, so I'm a little nervous because I'm not quite sure if I think it's 5 minutes or it actually is 5 minutes. But we're gonna give it a shot. So I do have my timer here. Once I get started, we're gonna click the timer. Okay guys, so let's just jump right in. I am a little bit nervous, but I'm starting my stopwatch right now. Okay, so the first step I do is apply this Drunk Elephant D-bronzi anti-pollution serum. I think that's what it's called. Could be very wrong. For me, I mean, I'm not putting this on for coverage. It just adds like a nice tint to your skin. I just do it for the benefits, which is to protect your skin. So I just apply that all over the face, and I'll list all the products that I'm using down below because I really don't have much time if I'm planning on making this a 5-minute video to list everything down below. Then I go in with my favorite eye cream, the Drunk Elephant Brightening and Depuffing Cream. I just apply that under the eye and on my eyelids. And just pat that in. Oh my god, I'm at a minute. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Next product I'm using is the First Aid Tinted Moisturizer. And I just apply that all over the face. And this adds like a nice sheen, makes your skin glow. As you can tell, it's not much coverage at all. But I like it, it works for me. And this look is for me is like an everyday look. If I need to get out of the house really fast and I don't have that much time to get ready, this is the look that I'm going to go for. So I'm just applying that everywhere on the eyelids, bringing that down the neck. So we blend that in. And then I'm going in with this Flower Beauty Concealer. It's a Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. Oh my god, this is the wrong shade. Actually, it doesn't look bad. This is the darker shade. It's in shade Medium Deep. And I'm just applying that to all the smaller blemishes I have on my face. Okay, we're at 2 minutes. Okay, just gonna blend that in everywhere. Stipple, stipple, stipple. Apply that on the eyes too. We're at 2 minutes and 28 seconds. So we have 2.5 minutes to go. And I'm just gonna bring that down the neck to blend that in. I'm pretty pissed that I chose the wrong freaking color. Whatever, it still works. Then I'm gonna go in with this Essence Brighten Up powder. It's a banana powder, and I just apply that under the eyes because I usually don't have time to apply concealer. This just automatically adds like a brightening effect. Kind of negates the use of a concealer for me. So I just apply that under the eyes. And then, where's my other freaking powder? Oh my god, I'm at 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Then I go in with my Hello Flawless powder and just set the rest of the face with that because I'm gonna apply a quick layer of bronzer. So we want it to go on smooth. And the bronzer I like to use on an everyday basis is my Too Faced Sweet Tea Bronzer. This looks like this. It's really cute packaging. So I just apply that down the neck as well. Okay. Now all I do for my brows is just brush them up. We're at 4 minutes. Just brush the brows upwards. 4 minutes and 6 seconds. And I just apply my mascara. And I only applied it to the upper lashes, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I just need to blend this in a little bit better. Then I just set that all. With my MAC Fix Plus, we're at 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Oh my god. We're gonna wipe that off. 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Let's apply some quick lipstick. Just need 5 minutes. Alright, that's it. Not bad for 5 minutes. I do look more put together, right? The color is a little bit dark because I applied the wrong concealer, but overall, I'm going out like this if I need to. I basically just do this to add a light coverage, to give my face a tan, and to just look a little bit more awake and put together. I don't go for like a heavy foundation if I'm in a rush. I just need to get out of the house. So this is the look I will do. I will say that I did underestimate myself in the timing. I would say maybe it takes max 10 minutes on a daily basis, but you could definitely achieve a quick makeup look in 5 minutes. If I didn't mess up on my under eyes and I didn't have to kind of fix that really quickly, I could have applied this lipstick. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll just go in with a gloss on top. So I'll just use this new favorite. It's the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration. I love the shade. It smells minty. What is the shade? The shade is Beach Bum. I brought this with me on vacation. Ooh, this is a good lip combo, guys. So this is the final look after 5 minutes. And I'm ready to step out the door and run some errands. But I will say, I do want to apply a little bit of highlighter. So I'm just going to go in with an oldie. This is the Kevyn Kwan Celestial Setting Powder, I believe, in the shade Starlight. Ooh, that is pretty. But before I go, before I go, I do want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel and has watched my videos and liked my videos and shared the love. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. I really hope that we can grow my YouTube family and get to 1,000 followers in the next 1 or 2 months. I think we can get there, guys. Let's do it. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this 5-minute makeup tutorial.